Okay, so let's proceed. The principle of common sense. Wow. Okay, so as usual, let us consult the Book of Life, or I also call the Manual of Life, from Proverbs 24:3. Sinasabi po dito, a house is built by wisdom and becomes strong through good sense. Alright, ulitin ko po. A house is built by wisdom and becomes strong through good sense. Alright, this is scriptural, no? This is a word of God written in the Bible. So if you're building on something, alright, this is not literally house, but something that you build. It is being built by wisdom and it becomes strong through good sense. Okay, so yun po ang ating guiding scripture. Common sense. Wow, siguro madalas natin yan naririnig. Common sense naman, no? Alright? So it's a very, very common expression of Filipinos. And I remember si nanay nga, sabi niya, common sense. Mukhang naiwan mo na naman yung common sense mo. Alright? Ano ba budang common sense, no? Common sense, unfortunately, is not so common anymore. Okay? May mga karamihan, not all, pero parang they have forgotten common sense. It is simply stopping and using our heads. Okay? When we say common sense, we use our head. Yung back knowledge. Ano ba yung laman ng utak, no? Understanding its value and applying it will keep our lives from being complicated and confused. Okay? So, para hindi confused, para hindi complicated, intindihin lang natin kung ano ba tong common sense. Ha? So, sound logic, sensible reasoning, or simple equations. Yan po yan. Sound logic. Okay? Sensible reasoning, simple equations. Ang resulta ng common sense, practical wisdom. Alright? Practical wisdom. It's practical. It's basic. Alright? And if there's someone who's so good in practical wisdom, somebody I know and somebody I love, wala pong iba yan kundi yung aking asawa, si Tita Liza. Alright? Wala po siya dito sa room. She's downstairs. Pero she's so good in practical wisdom. Meaning it's practical. It's so common. It's basic pero alam na alam niya. Na? Sometimes talaga po kung gaano pa ka-basic, kadali, yun pa yung in-skip natin. Alright? Now let's consult Wikipedia. Ano bang definition ng common sense sa Wikipedia? Okay, common sense is a basic ability to perceive, understand, and judge things which is shared by, common to, nearly all people and can be reasonably expected of nearly all people without any need for debate. Okay, so ito po yung definition ng common sense sa Wikipedia. Ba? Masyado po siyang madali. Alright, is a basic ability. It's something in there to perceive, understand, and judge. No? Para pag may naisip ka, it's just common sense. Alright, let's say, ano ba yung mga practical? Pag sabi nga ito, nabasa ko to before and I still recall it until now. It's basic. Pagka pumasok ka sa pinto, sarado yung pinto, okay, kumato ka, pagpasok mo, isara mo ulit. Okay? Kasi inabot mo siyang sarado, pagpasok mo, isara mo. Alright? Pero halimbawa lang naman, dumating ka, nakabukas, kumato ka, pinapasok ka, iwanan mo siyang bukas. Why? Kasi dumating ka bukas. Simple, di ba? Those are basics. Or halimbawa lang, nanghiram ka ng isang gamit. Or let's say, nanghiram ka ng, kunyari, kaldero. Okay? Lagi ko naririnig. Hiniram mo yung kaldero, madumi. Ginamit mo, pagbalik mo, madumi pa rin. Alright. Hindi, linisin mo na. Di ba? Ano naman yan eh, common sense naman. Madumi mong hiniram, wag mo naman ibalik ng madumi. Or ito naman, hiniram mo malinis, no? Pagbalik mo, malinis. O, example, sa kotse. Ako, I remember, I don't have common sense on this. Nung bata-bata ako. Hihiramin ko yung kotse ng tatay ko, may gas. Common sense will say, pag ibinalik ko, may gas. Okay? Yun lang. Medyo I lacked there, no? When I was younger. Babalik ko yon, wala ng gas. So, talaga, yung father ko, hindi ko masisi na he will feel bad. Parang, ano bang klase talaga to? Pag umihiram kami, laman ng gasolina. Pagkabalik, wala, no? So, doon, papasok doon yung mga experiences ng ibang tao na sasabihin nila, this guy lack judgment, no? Okay, so it's a basic ability to perceive, understand, and judge things. No? Simple lang yon. Which is shared by common, nearly all people. Meaning, dapat naman sana halos lahat alam yon. Kaya nga siya tinawag na common sense. Okay? And it is expected that nearly all people, without any need for debate, will react the same way. Okay? Yan. So, medyo naintindihan natin, I'm sure, lalo, ano? Including myself, no? Actually, tulad ng sinasabi ko, this lesson is not just me sharing, it's also me about learning, no? Okay, sometimes we get so educated that we can't even think in a practical way. So, dito na nangyayaring complications. Masyado ka ng matalino, nalilimutan na natin practical, no? And I think narinig ko yung quote na yun, yung, ano ba to? Yung sobrang yun, too much analysis leads to paralysis. Alright? So, sobrang pag-a-analyze natin, hindi na tayo makagalaw as if we're paralyzed, no? Pero sa totoo lang po, common sense will tell you the basics. Okay? You don't have to complicate it. It is the ability to reason out problems and find practical and sensible ways to overcome them. Alright? So, ito yung pinaka-practical. Tulad nga po nung sinasabi ko, I think if you see yung pinaka-latest video vlog na nilabas ko, yung baon ka ba sa utang. Okay? Let's say wala kang pera. Anong common sense? Pumunta ka sa shopping mall. Okay? Ang pera mo, eksakto lang pambili ng pang basics, mga panggamit sa bahay, pangkain, pambayad sa kuryente, the basics. Tapos may sale. Okay? Alam niyo na po siguro ano ang common sense. Yung hawak-hawak mo, let's say may 5,000 kang hawak, pang grocery niya, pambili ng bigas, alright, pambayad sa kuryente, etc. Tapos nakakita ka ng sale, yung paboritong-paborito mong cellphone, sinale, 50% off, 4,000 na lang. Dating 15,000. O, may hawak ang 5. Sabi mo, uy, kasya to. Alright? So, what will common sense tell you? Alam niyo na po yan. That is common sense. No? Education is important. Alam natin lahat yan. Ano? Kaya nga tayo nag-aaral. Pero without common sense, it loses much of its value. Okay? Sayang. Alright? So, it seems like a person with common sense, with a good common sense, is better than a person na sobrang taas ang pinag-aralan pero lacks this common sense. Okay, that's why ako nga po, I'm so impressed with Liza because one day I was talking to her about business and she knows everything. So sabi ko, napatitig lang ako sa kanya because she was telling me about how to do things, how to do business, ano dapat yung attitude sa businessman, ano attitude para sa customers. And she was telling me everything I was reading from business books, I was rehearing from great business people. And knowing her, hindi po siya into reading, she's not into reviewing or yung mga sa internet or researching. Ang hilig lang po niya talaga magluto, maghatid ng bata, mag-alaga sa pamilya. Napatingin lang ako, sabi ko, ba't alam mo yan? Pinag-aralan mo ba yan? Sabi niya, hindi. Alam ko lang. Alright? So that's exactly the definition of common sense. Alright, I understand Liza, hindi rin siya nakatapos ng college, no? But she's so good, no? So, that's it. So, what I mean is, very important that we finish school. Education is important. Pero if we blend common sense, no, with our dreams and goals, all right, it's more likely that we will achieve our dreams. Tandaan niyo po yan, ha? You have dreams, you have goals, then you add common sense. Okay, simple, di ba? Lagyan mo ng basics. What others, okay, knows what's the most common for this given situation. So, pag pinagsama-sama mo yan tatlong yan, believe me, we will achieve our goals. Okay? So, as we grow up, okay, we are actually taught how to do things in certain ways. Yun. So, habang lumalaki po tayo, dun po ang impluensya ng ating common sense. No? And this way becomes common to us. No? Ano yung lagi mong naririnig, ano yung lagi mong nakikita. Okay? It's being influenced. Until someone finds a simpler or better way of doing it. Okay? Doon ka lang maguguluhan. Somebody's doing it ng mas simple at mas easy. Sabi mo, teka, bakit for so long I've been doing this? No? Ganito kahirap. Then I'm achieving something like this. Then here comes a person na iba yung ginagawa niya, mas basic, mas madali, pero he also achieved the same thing that I achieved. Alright, so common sense will also tell us to change yung mga ginagawa natin. Alright, so hindi dapat tayo nagre-resist dun sa mga natututunan pa natin. Alright, yun yung common sense, no? It changes our ways. Alright, so be so conscious. No? So that's why dapat conscious tayo sa kapaligiran. It's because we see the common sense dun sa karamihan. Kaya siya tinawag na common. Alright, some habits or tradition can stifle, no? Or can choke. Parang masasakal niya yung personal growth natin and keep us bound by those traditions. Alright, may mga ugali tayo or may mga tradisyon na instead na makatulong sa atin, yun yung magsasakal o magchuchok. Alright, there are also some religious beliefs that pwedeng humarang sa atin. Okay, marami po yan, mga tradisyon. Alright, na hindi niya ipagagawa sa iyo yung common sense. Alright, but again, common sense should help us change ways. Okay, wag po tayo magpapigil. Alright, yung kultura ng mga bansa, no? Maaring mag-tolerate sa atin sa bribes, sa lying, and cheating. Okay? So, kitang-kita ko po ito. Recently, I am doing some transactions sa government. No offense meant, but this is what I see. It became a culture, no? Pumunta po ako sa City Hall and I see almost everybody whispering to someone, no? Parang, may kakatok. Nandiyan ba si ganito? Sandali lang. Tapos, kita mo sila bulungan yung, usapan. Biglang, naglilin, So, it becomes a culture. Bribing, lying, cheating becomes something acceptable. Okay, but common sense, however, would tell us not to do it. Alright, na-feel mo na ba yun na parang hindi ka komportable? Parang halimbawa sabi sa'yo, bro, madali lang naman yan. May mga kakilala ako. Ganito lang gagawin natin para maiwasan mo yan, etc., etc. Para mas mabilis to. Alright, it is common sense who will tell us. Okay? Na parang may bubulong sa'yo, mali yan. Alright, because if we do not listen to this common sense, believe me, it will hurt us. Okay? And bukod sa masasaktan tayo, masasaktan yung society natin, yung bansa natin. Okay? Mukhang nawala na yung slide ko. Sandali lang po. Okay, sabi ko. Alright. We learn more by imitating than by formal teaching. So dito po sa common sense na pinag-uusapan natin, it's more on imitating. So tinitingnan natin yung mga tao na may good common sense. Na they have a good control or good influence of the sense, of the common sense. Yan po yung pinakamadaling pagtuturo ng common sense, no? So kaya nga napakahalaga po that we are in the company or in the circle of people who has very good common sense. So, makikita mo naman yun eh. Before, hindi po ka naniniwala doon sa sinabi na show me your friends and I'll show you who you are. Alright? So sabi ko, hindi naman pwede yan. I control myself, no? Paano mo naman ako, parang ginudge mo na ako niyan. Hindi porket ganito yung mga kaibigan ko, ganito din ako. Parehas kami. Hindi Pero alam niyo po, nung tumagal-tagal na lagi kong kasama yung isang set of friends ko, maski yung mga mali sa tingin ko na ginagawa nila, eventually, I was just so surprised, ginagawa ko na rin. Alright? So, what's common in that wrong group become common to me. So, naging common sense na siya. Alright? So, it's so important that you check the people you are with. Sila ba yung mga gusto mong tularan? Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Tingnan nyo po, yung nasa paligid nyo, yung lagi mong kausap, lagi mong kasama. Siya ba yung taong gusto mong tularan? Alright, so tingnan mo isa-isa. Pag nakita mo hindi, then you might want to change the circle of friends that you have, no? Because most likely, aminin mo man o hindi, tanggapin mo man o hindi, na i-influensyahan ka niya. Alright? So we learn more by imitating than by formal teaching. So hindi po ang common sense na pag-aaralan sa eskwela. Okay? Sorry. Okay. Some principles may be practiced subconsciously before they are formally taught. Okay? May mga bagay po sa buhay natin na hindi mo pa alam na yun pala yung tama, pero subconsciously, nasa likuran na ng isip mo. Alright? It usually happens doon sa ating environment. Okay? Kung ano yung palagi mo nakikita, before it even face you head on, in front of you, nasa back knowledge mo na. Kaya nga, napakahalaga po ng environment. I remember when I was growing up, okay, everybody around me smokes, nagsisigarilyo. Alright, so as young as, I think I was 14 years old, I started smoking. Nobody told me to do it. Nobody forced me. But because of the environment, I got so curious, then I started doing it. Yan. So, very, very important. So, napunta siya sa subconscious ko. Alright? So, it's the same with common sense. If you really want to live a life of prosperity, of success, of living a righteous life, a life pleasing to God, make sure you're around people who are also doing the same. Ganun po yan. Huwag po tayo magpakabayani. Believe me, hindi totoo. Na kung ikaw lang dyan sa lugar na yan, yung maayos, there will be a time na mapupunta sa subconscious mo yung mga ginagawa nila. And one day that you don't want to happen, if that comes, believe me, magugulat ka, you will also do the same things that they have done. Okay? Subconscious. Whatever people do, whether it is right or wrong, soon becomes accepted, practiced by many. So this is dangerous. Alright? Yung wrong, basta marami nang gumagawa, it becomes right. Alright? So I remember the shirt na ilalabas ng Wisdom Eyewear, yung right is wrong, right is wrong even if many are doing it. Tama ba 'yon? And right is right even if nobody's doing it. Alright? So ganun dapat ka firm. But again, it will always be affected. This common sense, no? Kung ano yung lagi natin nakikita. So be very cautious with the people and the environment na ginagalawan natin, no? Because it will happen whether it's right or wrong. It becomes accepted if it is being practiced by many. So nangyari po sa akin yan. I am so familiar with this. And it's bad, no? When it happens. Wala kang ibang masisi. Alright? Sabi mo, wala naman nagturo sa'yo, pero nakikita mo eh. And since marami nang gumagawa, then eventually it becomes right sa paningin mo. It becomes your common sense. Wow. So that's really something you have to consider. Check your environment, check your doctrine, check your friends you go with, to make sure you protect that common sense. Okay, sometimes you must go through bad experiences in order to learn the truth about common sense. Okay, this is the only time that this common sense na sinasabi mo will be broken pag nakaramdam ka na ng pangit or maling experience. Alright, sometimes you go into this common sense and you feel good about it, everybody's doing it, then boom, one day, you experience something bad, then you just realize, this is wrong. Dapat pala nung una pa, hindi ito. Then, regret, no? Iyak-iyak tayo sa isang sulok. Dapat nung naisip ko na huwag, hindi ko na talaga ginawa. Oh. Sometimes you must go through this. No? But the good news, we will learn. Alright, sa personal experience ko, I had bad experiences in some decisions. Then I learned the truth about common sense. It's something that dapat palang alagaan. Alright, you feed your common sense with the right things. You read the right books, you talk to the right people, you watch the right movies, you listen to the right stations sa radio. That's feeding your common sense. Okay, with the right things. Iwasan po natin yung chismis. Iwasan natin yung puro patayan na mga balita sa TV. Iwasan natin yung puro away at sigawan na mga kwento sa mga telenovela. Iwasan natin yung mga chismisan sa mga schools. Pag nagkita-kita, uy, alam mo, si ganito, kilala mo yun? Naku, yung asawa no, naku. We are actually feeding our common sense with the wrong things. Alright? This is hard, ah. The opposite of common sense. Alam niyo po ba kung anong opposite ng common sense? Sige, sagot kayo. Hula-hula. Ano ang opposite ng common sense? Uncommon sense. Opposite. The opposite of common sense is stupidity. Wow. Alright, so ang sakit, di ba? When you realize one day na you were stupid. I'm not trying to judge anyone. I'm including myself. There are times that I told myself, bakit ang tanga-tanga ko? I was so stupid. Di ba? Nakarelate kayo? Na may mga situation na you're given a chance to choose, then you choose You chose not to listen to your common sense. Sabi mo, hindi yun. Then, after decision, after deciding, you realized it's wrong, it's a mistake, then na-experience yung bad thing, then sabi mo sa sarili mo, I was so stupid. Bakit ako naniwala pa? 10 times siya na ako niloko. Sabi niya magbabago na siya. Naniwala ako nung 11th time. Alright? O kaya sa networking, di ba? Ang gagaling magsalita ng mga ano. Oh, pag nag-join ka, lalagyan kita ng tao. Ako bahala sa'yo. Kuha ka ng ano, ng 100 heads. Ako bahala. Ikaw naman, mga 3 times ka nang nasunog sa iba't ibang networking. Pagdating doon, sabi mo, oh, okay, sige. Sabi mo yan, ha? Then, ganun din, lugi, wala pera. Then you say to yourself, grabe, ang tanga ko talaga. Alright, that's not true. We were not created to be stupid. We were created to have a common sense with us. Tandaan niyo yan. It's part of our being, our common sense, no? So, madalas yan, sinisisi natin yung ating plans, no? Because hindi tayo nakinig dun sa common sense. Okay, sometimes our plans are so rigid, masyadong biglaan that we forget to listen to our hearts. Which is normally suggesting the use of common sense. Sabi ng heart mo, nagtatry siya magparamdam. Sabi ng utak mo, huwag ka dyan, tumahimik ka dyan. Alam ko ginagawa ko. Alright, but normally the heart will suggest something common. No? Siya yung magsasuggest. Feeling kasi yung heart eh. It cannot think. Only the brain can think, but the heart can feel. So this heart says, disturb siya. No, wag, no. Okay, sometimes we have to listen to what our heart is telling. Although the heart cannot think, but the heart can feel. All right, sometimes our minds can get so pumped up that we can get on high and get out of touch with ourselves and reality and do stupid things. All right, nasobraan yung pag-iisip natin. Nalimutan natin yung damdamin natin at damdamin ng iba. All right, so yun po yung common sense. I hope you're learning. No family, business, or nation can survive without common sense. Handaan niyo po yan, ha? And whatever we're doing, even in your business, whatever you're doing now, if you're employed, you won't enjoy it, you won't survive it without common sense as part of our planned strategies. Common sense, ito yung basic. Ito yung tama na ginagawa ng mga tamang tao. Alright, tingnan nyo rin po yun, ha? Hindi porket ginagawa ng lahat, that's right. Kaya nga, isang post ko sa Facebook, sinabi ko, tingnan nyo rin yung buhay ng mga sinusundan nyo. Because common sense will tell you saan ka makakarating kung sumusunod ka sa isang tao. Tingnan nyo yung napuntahan niya. Alright? Tingnan nyo maigi. So, tingnan mo, itong taong itong sinusundan ko, ito pala yung narating niya. Pangit. Sira-sira lahat. Magulo. Common sense will tell you, susunod ka pa ba? Alright? Wag mo nang baguhin. Hindi ako susunod dyan. Nakakasiguro ako, susunod ako sa kanya, pero hindi mangyayari sa akin yan. Iba. Alright? How sure are you? Na yung sinundan mong tao, gumuguho yung buhay, how sure are you na ang buhay mo, after mong sumunod sa kanya, maayos? Isn't it that common sense will tell you to follow the people, the leaders who achieved great things, who achieved sensible, permanent things in life, joy, happiness, peace. All right? So I have nothing against anyone, but I'm telling you the truth, no? Sabi ko nga po, wisdom doesn't mean telling only things na masarap pakinggan. Wisdom may also tell us the things that ayaw natin pakinggan. And I was tasked to tell everybody about this wisdom. Tingnan yung maigi kung sino yung sinusundan ninyo. Halug, halongkatin nyo, pati buhay. Sometimes sasabihin nila, that's personal, no? Huwag niyong pakialaman yung personal life ko. Tingnan mo, I achieved this, I achieved that, or I have this big house, I have multiple cars, or I have this big savings. O dyan, masaya ka na dapat. Tingnan mo rin, outside those icings, outside those covers, ano ba yung buhay niya? Kasi, yes, magkakaroon ka rin ng meron siya. Pero gusto mo rin magkaroon nung kabila. No? So I've seen people like that, no? May mga kaibigan ako, may kilala ako. Now they're so successful in their careers and their business, pero medyo tagilid yung kanilang personal life. Pero pagdating talaga sa opisina, sa trabaho, grabe. Talagang hindi mo ka siya kayang lampasan. Alright? Pero siya yung taong pagkatapos ng trabaho, uuwian na kami, ayaw pa niya. Sabi niya, may meeting tayo guys, may meeting tayo. Para ba ako, uwi na. Gusto ko rin pumunta sa pamilya ko. Tapos pagkatapos ng meeting, sino sasama? Let's have a drink or two? Sabi ko, come on. Gusto ko na po umuwi, sir. Sabi niya, you cannot go home. Hindi pa tayo tapos. This is a corporate activity. Alright. Ayaw nilang umuwi. Why? Then I learned, wala pala silang uuwian. Alright? Dahil wala na. No? Walang pamilya. Scattered. Alright, so it's very important. We should know sino yung sinusundan natin because kung saan tayo sumusunod, believe me, dun din tayo makakarating. So find out, no? Importante po yan. Alright, no family, no business or nation can survive without common sense. So, simulan po natin. Now that we know, ito yung masakit na part sa sa knowledge. Pag natuto ka, mas malaki responsibilidad mo ngayon. There was a time na, of course, I was studying the Bible and learning more about God. Then, ang dami ko nakikita. Ito pala yun, ito pala yun. Then, sabi ko, grabe, ang dami ko natutunan, pero ba't ganun? Yung mga maling nakalagay doon, ginagawa ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, sana pala, hindi na ako nagbasa ng Bible. Nalaman ko lang lahat yung ginagawa ko, mali pala. Alright? But again, yun eh. Am I willing to correct my life? Or sabihin ko, sa inyo na yung Bible na yan, sa inyo na yung wisdom na yan. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Alright? Yung mga taong may common sense, will they feel that? No? Mukhang hindi, di ba? Alright, now that we know, every one of us, we have a greater responsibility, now that you know, to take care of your common sense because your common sense will lead you to success. Okay? Yan yung kakampi mo. Yan yung pang-decision mo nang hindi ka mag-iisip. It's common sense. Alright? Walang kinaibahan sa tatawid ka, tapos naka-red, tapos ang bilis-bilis ng mga tumatakbo sa sasakyan. Common sense will tell you to stop. Okay? Basic. Tapos ikaw, tinutuloy-tuloy mo pa rin. O di, pag sabi ng mga tao, ano ba naman, tanga naman yun. Nakita niya ng stop eh. Dumiretso, ayan, aksidente tuloy. Di ba? Yun yung usual comments ng mga tao sa paligid. Ang tanga-tangan nun, ano? Kitang-kita mo, stop, dumiretso. So, common sense will tell us to do the right things as everybody else knows. Yun yung expectation. So, that's why we need to make sure we take care of this word, common sense. All right, benefits. I hope you're learning. We are better prepared to adapt to change in the way we do things. Okay, so with common sense, mas nakahanda ka na. Now that you know that is your one ammunition that you have, common sense, nakahanda ka na magbago. To adapt, to change in the way we do things. So be conscious. Alamin mo na ngayon, ano bang ginagawa nila madalas? How do they react? How do everybody, the successful people, all right, the happy, the joyful people reacts given this situation? Okay? So it's also not wrong to ask, no? Kung hindi mo alam, you ask. Sino tatanungin mo? The people na lost o walang common sense? Definitely, mali yun. So you ask the people na who's confident in their life, sasabihin lang, yes, I know, I have. Okay, so ngayon, as you talk, you also check, sinasabi ko, you do your background checking. Baka nag-ano lang yun, nagpe-pretend lang. Alright? Benefit number one, we will be prepared to adapt to change. Benefit number two, we stay alert to the changes in the world. Okay? So if you're so conscious about your common sense, alert ka kung sa mga nangyayari. You're conscious. Hindi tayong tipong, ano daw? Malay ko. Maat pa, malay ko. Pakialam ko ba dyan? Alright? Okay? A person with good common sense, alert tayo. So if things are happening, there are changes, you're aware. Kasi alam mo yung trend eh. Alright, benefit number three, we will detect gimmicks and over-representation of products. Again, this is common sense. No? Alam niyo na po yan. Minsan may mga salesman na lalapit sa iyo. Sobrang ganda. Too good to be true, sir. If you buy this, if you buy that, sir, ito lang po ang presyo. Mayroon pa yung free gift. Tatatat. Parang pinamigay na lang. And common sense will tell you why. Alright, why are they giving away their products? Okay, tandaan niyo po yan. Common sense will help you decide. Okay, I remember one yung of course yung pastor ko, he was sharing pag kami namimigay daw sa iyo sa church, you also have to ask why is he doing it, no? Alam niyo naman po, no, madaming tao na tinatarget, especially business people, no? Tinatarget yung church. Sabi mo, ang daming tao nito. Tapos tatargetin yung ano, no, yung mga pastor o yung mga leaders. Kunyari, kakaibiganin. Okay, alamin, ang sabi niya, tanungin natin, mahal ba ako ng tao na to? Kaya niya ginagawa. Alright? Yan. Pag nasagot mo yan ng oo, most likely he's giving favor and gifts kasi mahal ka niya. Okay, as Christians, no? Pero kung hindi mo naman siya kilala, tapos nagulat ka na lang, pastor, bigyan kita ng ano ha, ng isang package, libre lang yan. Tapos titingnan mo siya, kung tatanggapin ko to, dahil ba mahal niya ako? Alright? But again, if you have a good common sense, madedetect natin yan. Mga gimmicks, over-representation, kita natin. So, right now, we're in the network marketing business. So, alam nyo, kung over-promising yung nangyayari or over-coloring, parang pinagagandang maigi, pero mukhang hindi naman madi-deliver. Alright? Or mukhang hindi naman value for money. Okay? Benefit number three. Benefit number four, we become known for a practical mind and good logic. Alright? So once nalaman ng tao na obserbahan yung buhay natin and pag nakakausap tayo, nakikita nila na we have good common sense. So makikilala nila tayo as somebody who's practical and good logic. No? So makikita mo, madalas na rin sila nakikipag-usap sa'yo, madalas sila nagtatanong, and they like your company. Kasi once magsabi sila or magtanong sila or mag-seek advice, they get a sound advice, no? Based on common sense. Alright, so yun yung magiging benepisyo natin. If we have a good common sense, yan po yung apat na yan. So kayo, gusto niyo bang makilala ka as somebody who's practical, na mayroong good logic? No? Logic is the way we figure out things. So pag alam nila na ganun, lalapit talaga sila. Alright? Okay, so I hope meron tayong natututunan with this common sense. Let's look at steps to follow. Ano po ba yung mga dapat nating gawin now that we know that common sense is very important if we want to live life to the fullest, no? Hindi po natin pwedeng isantabi ang common sense na yan. Alright. Always be sensitive to your gut feeling. Okay? So mahalaga po yan. May tinatawag na gut feel. Actually, yung gut feeling, yun po yung common sense, no? So through life's experiences, nakakalculate po natin at na-observe that we have created common sense in us. Okay? As habang tumatagal yan, yung isang prinsipyo nagiging common, no? That's why ako nga po, sabi ko, I'm actually devoting myself in really learning more about life's principle. Kasi yung principle, pag palagi mong ginagawa, palagi mong iniisip, it becomes common to you. Okay, so I remember having my coaching with Chinkitan, no? He's well known for as a success coach, no? Wealth and success coach. And grabe, I was talking to him and asking some questions. Believe me, pag tuldok pa lang ho nung tanong ko, may sagot na siya. Doon talaga ako na-impress, no? Alam niyo po ba yun, yung pagbato ng tanong, pag land nung tuldok do sa sentence, sumasagot na. Halos hindi pa nga tapos yung tanong, naka-ready na yung bibig niya eh. Alright? Yun po yun. Because na-develop kasi eh. Na-create yung common sense sa atin. It may not always be right or may only be a warning that we are entering an unfamiliar area. Unfamiliar, no? But you will discover things as you go. So as we go along this journey of life, makikita mo talaga. No? So we think twice before we act. This gives your common sense an opportunity to speak to you, keep balance, and protect you. Tandaan niyo po yan ha. Before we act, before we make decisions, you think twice. Kung hindi pwedeng twice, thrice. Ako po, in my major decisions, I think 10 or 15 times. No? I don't decide on the spot. Okay, so for those who knows me, who has been following me, alam niyo naman po yung pinaka-recent na decision na ginawa ko sa buhay ko. It was not an overnight decision, believe me. Hindi po yun na parang, sige, ganito gagawin ko. Bukas. No, 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 no. It was a 1 month decision making, and within that 1 month decision making, there's a lot of consultations, coaching, um, personal devotions, Bible readings, etc. Then the day came that I need to decide based on the things na na-feed sa akin, including what I see. Alright? So it's very important, no? It's the gut feel. So we think twice or thrice or 10 times before we act because it will give our common sense a chance, an opportunity to speak to us. Ngayon, kung hindi ka pa satisfied, you ask others to help you decide using their common sense. Kaya nga common, dapat parehas kayong meron nun. Alright, so very important. Always be sensitive. Number 2, steps to follow. Do what you know is the right thing to do. So anything that is right, you do it. Okay, hindi left. Alright? So how do you know what is right? Ayan, panibagong story na naman yan. So you research, then you ask people, okay, whom you know are doing the right things. So paano mo malalaman na yung mga tao tama yung ginagawa? Simple, tingnan nyo yung resulta sa buhay nila. Ikaw, ganun din ba yung gusto mo? Yun lang naman po yun eh. Tingnan mo, halugugin mo. Tingnan mo yung paano siya makipag-usap. Tingnan nyo paano siya makipag-deal. Tingnan mo yung pamilya niya. Tingnan mo yung mga anak niya. Tingnan mo yung mga nasa paligid niya. Yun. So pagka na-compante ka, na-approve sa'yo yung the whole thing about that person, then you can ask. Okay, do what you know is the right thing to do. So it's very important, no? So this is actually the opposite of stupidity or foolishness. All right, there is a proverb that states, "The person without common sense may wind up dead." All right? Tandaan niyo po 'yan. The person without common sense may wind up dead. Na common sense will tell you one-way street tapos pumasok ka. Di patay ka, diniretso mo, di sumalubong ka sa truck. Ganon kasimple po yung common sense, no? It's something that without thinking, alam mo gagawin mo. Common sense will tell you na paglasing ka, hindi maganda mag-drive. That's common sense. Sinabi na yan. Winarning na yan. Di nakainom ka, nag-drive ka, na-aksidente ka. Nasabi mo, tanga ko. Okay, that's stupid. Alam mo yon. Pero You chose not to follow common sense. Do what you know is the right thing to do. Learn to think in a practical way. Education doesn't always provide practical sense. Don't lose your touch with reality. By using common sense, you will gain credibility from others. Okay? So, hindi ito pagalingan o pataasan ng narating education. Okay? Pero ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito, practical. Number 4, go beyond what is common and ordinary. Okay? So, avoid remaining in a situation that may have the tendency to cause you to be mediocre or corrupt. So, wag kang papayag na hanggang dyan ka lang. Okay, ordinary lang. Okay, wag po tayong papayag dyan. That's not our calling. We were we are designed, no? We were created to excel. We were created to be excellent. So kung nasan ka man ngayon, kaibigan, temporary yan. Kasi may kailangan ka matutunan dyan, di ba? Sundan ka nilagay ng Diyos kasi mayroon siyang pinapaaral sa iyo. Pero hindi porket diyan ka nilagay ng Diyos, diyan ka niya gustong tapusin. Alright? Hindi po dapat gano'n ang ating pag-iisip. So sometimes may mga narinig akong tao na gano'n ang mindset. Sabi, ito yung pinaglagyan sa akin ng Diyos. Dito, dito na ako mamamatay. Wag po tayong papayag na gano'n. Ano? Hindi po dapat tayo dun lang sa common and ordinary. Huh? Break barriers that are keeping you paralyzed by using common sense. So wag kang papayag. No? Your common sense deserves to be greater and bigger. Marami ka pang matututunan na common to men. Okay? Wag tayong hihinto. Common sense can grow as well. Okay? Steps to follow po yan. Life was not intended to be complicated. Okay? Hindi po tayo ginawa ng Diyos para mamuhay ng komplikado. If we separate ourselves from common sense, let's say sabi mo ayaw ka ng common sense na yan, hindi yan totoo. Okay? You separate it, simplicity, yung pagiging simple, will disappear. Alright? And we get lost in confusion. Diba? So, wag niyo pong paghiwalayin yung sarili natin at common sense. Dahil that's basic, that's simple. Okay, there are moments in life in which we lose balance because of the different arenas of our lives and our minds are under a lot of pressure. No? So, normal yun. Nangyayari po yan. Na parang nawawala ka sa pwesto. No? In this moment, stop and ask yourself, what is the right thing to do? Okay, yan pa rin po. What is the right thing to do? Ano ang tama kong gagawin? Common sense will make some recommendations. Immediately, alam mo, may papasok sa isip mo. Yung pinaka-immediate, walang complication, walang masyadong concentration. What is the right thing to do pag nalilito ka o naguguluhan ka? Common sense will try to speak. Okay, a mind once expanded by truth and common sense will never revert back to its original dimension. So, hindi na yung babalik once nasanay ka kung paano gamitin yung common sense. We were born with our eyes closed and our mouths open and it takes a lifetime to reverse it. Wow. Okay, nung pinanganak po tayo, sarado yung mata. Pero yung mga bibig nakabukas. And it takes a lifetime to reverse it. Meaning, use your common sense. No? Sarado mo yung mata mo. Then let your common sense speak to you. Your mouth speak to you out of your common sense. Believe me, you will understand the answer. Hindi po ba meron nga ako isang quotation, sinabi ko, winners see with their eyes closed. Okay, ngayon ko lang ho ito naaral, itong sinishare ko sa inyo. Nung nabasa ko to ba, ito yun connected. Okay, so meaning, whatever I'm speaking, whatever I'm saying is common to successful people as well. Okay, so, remember, thoughts produce actions, actions become habits, habits form our character, and character determines our destiny. Tandaan niyo po yan ha. Paki-screen capture, paki-save. Palagi po, yan po ang palagi nating ending. Alright? Our thoughts produce actions and it becomes habits and it forms our character and our character determines our destiny. Kung sino ka, dun ka makakarating. Okay, reflect and respond. Ito po mga tanong ko, hindi kailangan sagutin. Sarili nyo lang. What is the difference between common sense and knowledge? Take home assignment nyo po ito. Ano ba yung common sense at knowledge? Anong kinaibahan nung common sense at yung karunungan? Share a situation in which you have used common sense. What were the results? Isip-isip lang. Kailan yung last time na ginamit mo common sense mo? And ano nangyari? Alright, how can you develop more common sense? Ito po yung assignment natin. On Friday, we will continue the Ask Coach Kiko. So it's going to be an open forum for everyone. Anybody who wants to ask questions. Okay, mas maganda, not related to business. Okay, mark those 3 questions and pwede natin pag-usapan yung sagot ninyo. Okay, more words from God mula po sa ating Manual of Life. As I end, sorry po. All right, more words from God. As we end, my child, don't lose sight of common sense and discernment. Hang on to them. This is Proverbs 3:21. Okay? Very, very direct to the point. My child, tayo po yun. Don't lose sight of common sense. Again, even God, even the Bible says, don't lose sight. Huwag mong ikomplika mga bagay-bagay. Huwag kang tumingin sa kung saan-saan. Just use your common sense. And discernment. Okay, discernment, ibang word naman po yan. It's how we discern things. Nakikita mo yung tama at mali. Alright? Don't lose sight of common sense. Alam mo yung mga dapat mangyari and discernment. You discern, nakikita mo yung what's beneath. Ano ba yung nasa likuran. Hang on to them. So it was Solomon, the wisest man who ever walked the earth, ang nagsasabing, you need common sense. Hang on to them. Proverbs 3:21. Oops. Sorry. And another scripture na gusto ko po i-share. Yan. Wise words come from the lips of people with understanding, but those lacking sense will be beaten with a rod. Alright? Wise words come from the lips of people with understanding. Okay, you can be very knowledgeable. You have great understanding. You put out wise words, but those lacking sense will be beaten with a rod. Meaning, if you don't have the common sense, ano yung gagawin sa'yo? You will be beaten with a rod. Alam niyo po ba yung sinasabi dito? Yung rod, ito po yung ginagamit for disciplining. Alright, so ibig sabihin, mapaparusahan tayo if we don't use our common sense. You will experience things na ayaw mo ma-experience. It's like discipline, hardships. You will be beaten with a rod. Para kang ginulpi, pinarusahan. Alright? Proverbs 10:13. Wow. So I hope meron po tayo mga natutunan and this is my passion, this is my commitment to all of us that we continuously learn from the Word of God kung paano ba talaga tayo magiging successful sa buhay nito. Alright? Yes, there are decisions that we have to make. Sometimes the decisions are not easy to accept. But believe me, with wisdom and with common sense, we will be on the right track. Tandaan niyo po yan. No? So, maraming salamat po